America's best-selling brand and leads the way here in Arizona. For great deals on all Ford vehicles, go to yourlocalforddealers.com, then visit your Arizona Ford dealers for a test drive today.
Live, local, late-breaking. This is your First Alert Forecast.
All right, live look outside after we first look at some serious dust storm video. This was from the northwest side, and Val Cañez, one of our photojournalists, took this for us. We are watching several swiftwater rescues, so after the wind and the dust, we got heavy rainfall. Let's get to the swiftwater rescues now. They are ongoing in these locations: Bop and San Joaquin, Valencia and Mountain Eagle, Arivaca at Tumacacari Ranch, 4600 block of South Pallant Drive, Camino Verde and Oklahoma Street, Ajo and Tucson Estates, and Mark and Camino Tierra. We've got those ongoing swiftwater rescues from the county. Let's get to our maps now. We'll show you the latest on radar. Heavy thunderstorms developing in the areas that didn't get them earlier. That's out in Cochise County, and there is a chance that these storms could move into the city of Tucson through the evening hours, kind of spawning more redevelopment for us, which would aggravate our flooding problems. Here's a look in 3 dimensions, and these things not severe in Cochise County, but certainly at least causing some localized flooding. This is the Tombstone area, just west of Tombstone at Benson Junction and Contention. Heavy rainfall there. Any of these thunderstorms, as we've been telling you all week, any single storm has the capability of producing 1 to 3 inches of rain. We are all under big-time flash flood risk for the evening, but we are still under a flash flood warning in the city of Tucson. The same in Ajo, where you had an incredible amount of rain, almost 3 inches today. And then down in Nogales, you've also seen some heavy rainfall, and you're under a flash flood warning too. Dust storm warning in effect if you're headed to Casa Grande or north along Interstate 10, and I'll show you why in just a moment. But right now I want to show you this. This is radar rainfall estimates, 2.4 inches at Tucson Estates, just to your west. Down on the southeast side, south of Corona de Tucson, 1.5 inches. Then on the near southeast side, if you will, closer to Vail, 2 inches of rain. On the north side, around Catalina, just south of you in the Saddlebrook area, 2 1/3 inches of rain today. All of these thunderstorms causing serious problems. When we get the storms, and it's been dry in Pinal County, our wind from the storms blows out and goes downhill. Normally, when the wind would come out of a thunderstorm, it would just stop because it would be running along the ground and the friction would stop it from moving, kind of causing that wind to dissipate. But there's a big difference in elevation between us and Phoenix, so gravity helps that out. So the wind comes out of the storm, rushes downhill, and as it does, it picks up all the dust and the debris. Let's take a live look at it. Interstate 10, a mess in Pinal and Maricopa counties, especially in the southern portion of the Phoenix metro area. If you don't have to head to Phoenix anytime in the next couple of hours, just don't do it. Why would you want to get stuck in that? Serious delays and serious life danger there with those thunderstorms. Let's get to our forecast for tonight. 84 with more storms ongoing from Cochise County into our area. 75 tomorrow morning with a high tomorrow afternoon of 94, and our storm chance will be 30%. Here's our 7-day First Alert forecast now. 30% shot at storms each and every day all the way into early next week as the monsoon keeps going. Teresa and Dan? Couple of things coming together to help this happen, actually 3. Remnants of 2 tropical systems and also a trough of low pressure on the west coast, just acting to pump moisture up from the tropics. Yesterday we had the same amount of moisture in the air, but we didn't have any wiggles coming through to wring that out in the form of storms. Today we've had the wiggles and we've had the storm.
We had that perfect storm today.
Yeah, we sure did.
We're still watching so many situations right now. We've got some swiftwater rescues going on.